Get a Freightliner, they said. Let me honk my horn here real quick. Alright, we straight. What's up, everybody? So we're getting loaded here. Have my safety vest on. Still didn't get started. I've been here for an hour. We're gonna install a city horn switch, which I bought this switch, as you can see. This is what they call a momentary switch, I guess, or whatever the official name for it is. And so my horn that's on my steering wheel does not work. So I have a wire that comes right here, and all it needs a momentary switch to run between the horn power and the ground. So which is going to be this, and then I need to find a mounting point on where to mount it. And I've decided that I want to mount it on this, which is to the right side of the steering wheel on the bottom, kind of like out the way, really. So that's the plan. The plan is to just grab a hole saw and get yourself a right size, which for me will be this size, and cut up a hole right in here, and then connect this thing up, and then I think I messed up the threads on this one. We use this for drywall and whatnot, so it's all screwed up. But hopefully it's not screwed up all the way to where I can't use it, because I really need this size, and then the other sizes work. So we'll see how that works out. But yeah, I wanted to just kind of let you guys know. I know some places when they do a DOT, they don't really care much for city horn, and I'm not sure if it's required to have a city horn. I mean, your highway horn is loud. I mean, even if you're in the city, like, okay, it's a little loud, but better than not being loud enough. But I guess, I mean, just in case I do get pulled over or something, and they asked me to test my city horn, so I do have one. So that's the plan, to get this hopefully sorted out, drill a hole in here, and yeah, get it installed, and I'll show you what it looks like and what it works like, and catch you in a bit. Took a minute to get loaded, but I guess while we're waiting on a green light to get going, I'm going to show you some of the lights I installed by Part Sam. Let me know if you like it, what your thoughts are. been at this shipper since like 5:30, and it's about to be 9:30. Took them like 3.5-4 hours to load me. No, it took them 3.5-4 hours to get the parts to load me. They loaded me in like 5 minutes. Yeah guys, I think that's gonna do it. Short video trucking. Keep you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.